You can make the best video, but if someone cannot actually find and search for that video, that means all your hard work will not pay off. That is why YouTube keyword research come into play. What is keyword research? What do you know about keywords? What does it mean? Okay, let me actually put this in a layman understanding. Keyword is actually that thing that helps people to find your video easily. Do you understand? It has to do with those tags, the hashtags you use in your video, all those stuff like that, because it helps your video to gain visibility by people. People can come to YouTube and search for your content. If you actually put any related keyword on your video will rank higher and it's going to pop up when people actually searching for it. And in this video, I want to show you how you can make your video rank #1 on YouTube. Yeah, I'm not capping. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video, and I have some tools which I'm going to walk you through in order for you to see how this thing works, and it also helps you to like implement it in your next video. And trust me, if you are using it the right way, you are going to get the views and everything. But the question there is, does this keywords or does this hashtags and tags really work? Yes, I'll tell you that it works in some niches and it doesn't work in some niches. Do you understand? But if you are into a tutorial content like me, you're making a tutorial content, I'll still tell you that hashtags and tags works perfectly well. Do you understand? But if you are into maybe your lifestyle content, all those other niches like that, you might not really want it. Do you understand? Because it's only when people watch, nobody will come and say how to clean the house. Because people actually, I think people actually know how to do that. But if you are making tutorial content, how to make a keyword research, this is something that most small YouTuber or most creators are searching for every day on YouTube. And what do you do to yourself? You need to put your video in that position that it ranks well when people are actually searching for something like that. All right. So without wasting much time, so number one is that you can actually get your keyword from the YouTube app itself. How does this happen? Right. Let's go to my YouTube app, and when I go to my YouTube app, so let's just keep those down and let me click on the search button. Okay, let's say I want to search for how to make money on YouTube without monetization. Okay, let's search for that. So when you search for that, you are actually going to give it a little time for it to load. All right, you can see that. Okay, let's do like this. Okay, let's do like let's filter it till the recent, like this year or this month. Let's just use this year, guys. So you are going to see the content that rank the highest, like based on people that are making tutorial on those, like this year. Do you understand? But that's not, but that's just by the way. So this is what I actually want to show you guys. So what you do is that whenever you are typing something, how to make money, do you understand? So all these things that are popping up is actually what people are searching on YouTube every single day. So if you say how to make money on, if you type on, you now say YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, all right, you now say YouTube. Let's look at another thing that will come up. The more you enter the word, the more the search button, that what people are actually searching for will actually come up, guys. So with this, if you're actually making money on how to, sorry, if you're actually making video on how to make money on YouTube without being monetized, there are some keywords that you can say how to make money on YouTube videos, how to make money on YouTube without monetization, how to make money on YouTube without making videos, some topic like how to make money on YouTube 2024. You can actually include this keyword on your YouTube video so that it will also rank alongside with the video, because this is what people are actually searching for. Do you guys get it? So another way in which you can do your YouTube keyword research is when you go to the vidIQ app, guys. If you are a content creator, what is this? If you're a content creator and you don't have vidIQ app on your phone, please just know that you are missing out. Okay, please, if at this point in time you are watching me, you've not liked, you've not shared, you've not comment, you've not subscribed, please do that to help my small channel and to also help YouTube to like recommend those videos to more viewers. So you come to where you see I have the app itself. You can actually access it to the Chrome browser, or you can actually do this on your PC, right? So let's just open the app and just give it a little time for it to actually come up. Well, I don't know if network is that bad, but then let's wait for it to happen. So it has actually brought us here. So you now click on where you see keywords here. So as a small creator, whenever I want to make a video on YouTube, make sure you go for the topic that has the higher search or the medium search volume but low competition, right? Okay, let me just type any topic here. Let's just say YouTube keyword research. Okay, let's just click on the go button. Let's see okay, guys, can you see this? Let me zoom it up so that people can see. All right, so you can see that this title or this topic has 39,224.3 persons are actually searching for this topic, but then the competition is very low. That means only 24.33 something person are making video on those. Why? This is the amount of person that are actually searching for it. So the overall, sorry, the overall score is high. What does this tell you? It tells you that many persons are searching for this topic online, but only a few persons are making a video on. That means as a small creator, as a small YouTuber, if you make a video on this type of topic, you are likely to go viral, or your video will likely rank inside, because the search volume is high, but then the video has a low competition. Can you guys see this? And these are the top 10 videos that are actually doing well on those topic. All right. So after that being said, another app I'm going to take you to is called TubeBuddy. This is another amazing app. All right. So we are going to test something, but you can use any other topic for that. But let's just try the same topic with TubeBuddy. Let's see if it's going to give us a good result. Then, all right. So let's just do that, guys. So let's just wait for everything here to load. I just pray my network is strong this time around, because this network can do me shaggy sometimes, guys. But then, all right. So let's click here and come to Tag Explorer. So let me still type the same topic here. YouTube keywords research. All right. So let's click on the go button. So let's even see. So you can see that this app, there are two different apps. Okay, you can see that the same topic is giving us low search volume, high competition, and it's very bad. So you can actually look for another topic and search for it, and you see what it's going to give you. Because these two they are not owned by one person. So what is ranking on vidIQ might not rank it, but this is how you can actually do your keyword research using the vidIQ, the TubeBuddy, and the YouTube app itself, and doing all of those stuff like that. So doing all of those stuff like that. Why is this keyword very, very important? Keyword is important because it helps your video to gain visibility. It helps people to like discover your video whenever they come on YouTube searching for it. Your video will pop up. I mean, I have so many tools you can actually use for your keyword research apart from vidIQ and TubeBuddy. But vidIQ is the most, like it's the best tool ever. Do you understand? That's the best tool ever. So guys, you don't need to miss out on this. And I hope you find this video helpful. Please do well to like, do well to share. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you have been using this tool, how it has helped you. Do you even think keyword matters in YouTube? Or do you think you can just post your video and post it and that's that for that? So let me know about this in the comment section. And bye guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah.